The second way to win the game is by using instructions. These code blocks are the instructions that we're going to use to control the sprites in the Scratch program. Okay, now I'm going to use some instructions to reset the key to the starting position. The first block that I'm going to use is this point in direction 90-degree block to make sure that the key is pointing toward the right hand side. And then I'm going to use this go to x equals to -160, y equals to -120 to reset the position of the key to the starting position, which is -160, -120. Now, no matter where I move the key, when I double click on these two instructions will be executed and the key will be relocated to the starting position. Okay, now I will need another 3 instructions to move the key toward the palace. The first one is move 100 steps. Second one is turn 90 degrees clockwise. And the last one is turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise. One way to win this game is by double clicking on this block to move the key to the right hand side by 100 steps, then turn left, move another 100 steps, then turn right, move 100 steps, move another 100 steps, turn left, and then move 100 steps. Then you reach the palace and win the game. And now you can restart the game by resetting the position of the key to the starting position and then press the green flag again.